So ito yung crater. Ito yung crater. Ayan o. Ayan bro. Ito yung crater. Doon tayo bababa mamaya. Yung crater. So very deep. Very deep. Delikado ito kung mahulog ka sa bangil. Very deep talaga. Ayan. Malapit na tayo sa summit. Biglang nagluko yung cellphone ko. Bro. Nag full storage. Kaya dito na tayo sa ayan. Doon. Hindi makita yung crater. Ayun o, crater. Yan sa likuran. Ayan, balik tayo. Ayan. Yun ang crater. Ayan ang crater. Yan, sa baba. Ito yung crater. So, proceed tayo ba? Nandun na yung tatlong mama. Ayun. Yun yung ano talaga. Yung mambahaw. Di ko alam kung ano yung parte. Yung runway. Runway pala yun. Yung baylaw. Kumukuha pa yun ng video ba? Anyway, ito naman yung first natin na video. Yung natin. Papunta natin dito sa big summit. Punta tayo mamaya. Doon sa baba. Buti na lang may kasama tayo. Habol natin eh. Nandikit siya. Ay. Ay, ito yung tour guide natin.
Yeah. Okay.
Ayan.
Thank you very much.
Ayan. Sana ganito ako katangkad. Matangkad ko. Hello my friend. Are you playing basketball?
No, I don't.
You know?
I play
Oh.
ice hockey.
Hockey.
Yeah, hockey.
Yes, like that. Like that.
Yeah.
Rugby.
No, rugby, no.
Hockey. Oh yeah. Oh. Only the strong man can play hockey.
Yeah. Hockey is strong.
Oh,
Wow.
amazing. Amazing sport. Ito yung sinabi mo. From galing sa Republic of China. First time daw silang umakyat dito sa Mount Hibok-Hibok. Ayan. Ayan. Talagang pahirapan dito. Pahirapan talaga. Mas lisod pa ni isa dito nga mugi. Nagtraileran mi sa Davao.
Lisod eh?
Oh, lisod ni.
Oh,
Sakto gito ilang iyon nga. Mas lisod daw ni diri nga traileran sa kon. Kining ko no.
Samo tabi
Magtibok-tibok.
sa Arden, pagiyon.
Ha?
Samo sa Arden.
Mo ba?
Oh, sige no. Ay, balik kay busy kayo.
Oh. It's very hard to trail here in Mount Hibok-Hibok. So if you first time here, it's very difficult.
Just have to be careful.
Yeah.
So slow.
Oo. Belis. Slowly, slowly. Yan. Bangil talaga. Very deep. Oh. Very deep. Oh. Lundagan, masangitan. Mahulog ka. Dili naman masangitan ni mo. Mahulog ka ni bangil. Dito sa Mount Apo kay wala. Dito ka bangil.
Hey, Barry, Barry. Wait.
Sure. Why?
I'm going to ask you a question.
Yes.
With the feet is this one.
Yeah.
This is the feet, right?
Yeah. And the people.
This is the feet.
And then.
Ay, ito yung sinabi ko na dalawang foreigner.
It's sort of climbing. Right?
It's climbing.
Climbing.
That's climbing. It's climbing.
Can we make it?
Well, if we could, but it's sort of climbing. It's not. I thought it's
This is
somewhere.
climbing, not hiking.
Yeah.
Eh? You have
It's
some
actually-
climbing, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
you have
that's
to use a rope or something.
Hmm?
You have to use a rope.
the rope there, but only that over there is no rope. Only here, only there. But other until the summit, no.
I think look. It's. Why it's not very steep actually. That's nice.
Step, yeah, this is the, I know that.
But
Yung isa yung
can
naka-orange.
climbing up?
Ito yung
The back, it is very
Magaling talaga
dangerous.
sa-
Like that.
Yeah.
See your
isa
your
yung
knee.
tour
Yeah.
guide.
Yeah, that's a problem to your
It's
knee.
a problem.
Tour guide, yan.
When we go down,
Yan
it's
sa
gonna
kabila.
be.
You know,
You're not going down.
yung tour guide.
I don't want.
Let's go back then.
Okay.
Yung
So,
isa-
bossing mo, ulit na may.
Wala mo?
Okay, one minute lang gusto na kung ano anak ila tuhod.
Ah,
Oh, ikaw na to.
oh, sige, sige.
Oh, that's
It's-
follow
it's
the
there.
way. Follow the way. It's there. You have a way
Wala
there.
na, wala
No
na,
problem.
wala na ilain yung agian dito.
Wala na.
Balik lang dito.
No, balik ko.
Wala kayo pa, gikan dito sa peak, pababa dito, wala. Balik yun ka.
Anig ka balik ha?
Ang balik yun.
Remember, balik yun.
Ah, okay, okay.
Okay, ha?
Okay. Yes,
Yeah, okay ha?
hello. My friend,
Okay ha?
see you. Good luck.
See you. Enjoy it there.
Yeah, enjoy.
So here we'll go, right?
You'll go.
Oh.
Ito, lisod. Ah, lisod talaga. Mahirapan ito, mahirap. Ito yung peak. Ito yung daan. Climb up there. Oh my God. Oh, it's climbing. It's really coming. Oh, come on, come on, come on. What? It's like, come on. Yung bangil, tuktok talaga. It's very heavy. It's a rope. Yan. Oh my God. Yung rope. This is the rope. Bangil. Very deep. Alam kayo. Ito yung mga gamit sa buli. Mga buli. Blum-blum tayo. Blum-blum. Tingnan naman ng taga Paris Ranger. Talagang mahirap ito. Tingnan mo. Ito bro pagka. Ito yun. Ito. Bangil yan. Bangil. Bangil. Delikado pag nahulog ka doon. Nakita mo yung parang ano yan, gamot. Ay, gamot. Ano yan? Yung root. Yan, sa buli. Ito. Ito. Okay. Bangil yan pag nahulog ka. Wala. Ito may landslide doon. May landslide. So hawak tayo sa lubid. Ayun bro. Di kaya. Mawak tayo sa lubid. It's time. Come on. Really big. Come on. Just maybe 30. May landslide. Ito yun. Ito yung sinabi nila. Na, umakyat ka sa dito. Pag umakyat ka, ito yung lubid. Ayan. Ito yung lubid. Umakyat ka dito. Ikot tayo. Ayan. Ito yung lubid. So, take tayo ng photo. Hanggang dito muna.